If you're a diabetic patient and looking for a healthy diet option, then keto diet can be a great option for you. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today's video is all about the 10 foods that you should include in your keto diet. Our first food on this list is avocado. This delicious fruit is one of the healthiest and versatile foods that you can include in your keto diet. Avocado is rich in healthy fats, fiber, and nutrients, which makes it the perfect choice for diabetic patients. Up next, we have salmon. Do you know salmon is considered to be one of the healthiest foods on the planet? It's a great source of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin D, which makes it an excellent option for diabetic patients. Now let's talk about broccoli. This superfood is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can provide numerous health benefits for a diabetic patient. Up next, we have almonds. Almonds are low in carbs and high in healthy fats, making them a great snacks option for a diabetic patient following a keto diet. Our next food on this list is spinach. This leafy green vegetable is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can provide numerous health benefits. Blueberries are low in carbs and high in fiber, making them a perfect option for those following a keto diet. Up next, we have cauliflower. Cauliflower is low in carbs and high in fiber, making it a perfect vegetable for those following a keto diet. Now let's talk about olive oil. Olive oil is a healthy oil that is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, which can help to reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Who doesn't love chocolate? Good news! Dark chocolate is a keto-friendly food that is rich in antioxidant, fiber, and healthy fats. Last but not the least, we have eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein, which can help to keep you full and reduce your appetite. They are also high in healthy fats and essential nutrients that can provide numerous health benefits for diabetic patients. Adding eggs to a keto diet can also help to reduce the risk of heart diseases and promote weight loss.